Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about MyTrueIdentity.com and we'll find out whether this is a legit or a scam. Right, so as you can see here, if you just go to Google here and you will find this MyTrueIdentity.com, right, and this is for the different countries. So let's go and click on, for example, this is for Canada, so I'll just go and click on here, member login, and sometimes it's take a little bit of time to load here. And this looks fine. You have to just enter your username and a password. So when I just go and check that this score, right, there's the score regarding this website, whether it's a legit or scam. So as you can see here, this website got pretty good score, which is around 90, and it's really nice, right? So that's a thing. If I just go and check out the different website, as you can see here, the service provided by MyTrueIdentity.com are completely free of charge. User can access and use this service without any cost. And this is a Reddit comment here. You can just check this out and you know how Reddit is, right? And you will see a lot of things that whether it's legit or not, there are a lot of things they are servicing them, and it's really nice. So TrueIdentity.com is a service where TransUnion provides free access to credit reports, scores, and identity theft protection. So it's a legitimate service and it's look like a legitimate website too. So I hope you understood, and you can just do a thorough recheck by yourself too. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.